Can we do it then?
Air carries everything: life, movement, and sometimes invisible threats. To understand pollution in real time, we must see what the eye cannot. Ground sensors monitor only small pockets of a region, but with Garuda Aerospace's pollution monitoring drones, we turn entire cities, industrial zones, and sensitive regions into live air quality maps, accurate, wide-scale, and instantly accessible. Our drones are equipped with multi-gas sensors, particulate matter detectors, and environmental monitoring modules that collect critical air quality metrics at multiple altitudes and locations in a single flight. These measurements convert into detailed heat maps, AQI layers, and pollutant concentration zones, revealing hotspots, drift direction, and pollution density levels with scientific precision. From monitoring industrial emissions to identifying traffic-driven pollution, tracking hazardous gas leaks, or studying urban air patterns, Garuda's drones give authorities and researchers a complete, real-world view of how pollutants move and where they accumulate. With near real-time data and rapid deployment capability, our airborne monitoring system supports informed decision-making, early warnings, compliance reporting, and environmental protection strategies that keep communities safer. Whether it's for smart cities, industrial audits, disaster response, or environmental studies, Garuda Aerospace provides reliable, cost-effective pollution monitoring solutions across diverse terrains and challenging conditions. Garuda Aerospace, monitoring every breath of the environment with precision that protects our future.